Welcome to our virtual tour of Invitation Checking System by Velocity Solutions. The only thing better than redeeming rewards points is being able to share them with family and friends. Velocity's rewards platform makes it easy for your account holders to refer or digitally invite their friends to join your financial institution. Your account holders and their friends will earn points they can redeem for merchandise, gift cards, or even make a charitable donation. Your account holders simply log into the rewards website, customized to reflect your branding. In this example, we are illustrating our demo financial institution, Union Financial. Once their credentials are verified, your consumers can navigate to the Rewards tab to reveal all the ways they can spend their points. With rewards ranging from 100 to 100,000 points, there's something here for everyone, and it's easy to search. Consumers can filter their search using the drop-down box and view by category or point value. Once inside a category, they can refine their search even further. Our most popular category, which is 350 points, can be redeemed for a variety of $25 gift cards shown here. And because the best things in life are meant to be shared, with just a few clicks, account holders can invite family and friends to open a new account so they can earn points too. To get started, your account holders will click the Invite a Friend tab. Their personal referral code is automatically generated at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. From here, they can send a direct email or share their referral code across various social channels with auto-generated posts. You might be surprised by the powerful force of social media in generating referrals. Let's take a closer look at how it works. To share via email, your account holders simply click here and enter their friend's email address or multiple email addresses by separating each one with a comma. Consumers can change the email message if they like, but their personal referral code is already embedded and the email is ready to go. Here's an example of what that email looks like when the referred friend views it. I love Union Financial, and you will too. When opening a new checking account, use my personal referral code and you'll get a certificate, redeemable for a $25 gift card or a variety of exciting rewards. Don't forget to mention you were referred in and use this code. As you can see, the email comes directly from the referring account holder's email address, rather than coming from your bank or credit union, so it feels much more personal to the recipient. Let's not forget the power of social media. Your account holders can also invite friends via Facebook or Twitter. One click on the Facebook logo brings up the auto-generated post, embedding the account holder's personal referral code. Once shared onto Facebook, the resulting post looks something like this. I love Union Financial Bank, and you will too. Use my personal referral code when opening a new checking account, and we both earn free rewards. The post itself will link prospective account holders directly to your website. It's just as easy for your account holders to invite friends via Twitter. Click on the Twitter logo, click Share on Twitter, then approve the tweet. That's it. It immediately shows in their Twitter feed. Consumers can also copy to Clipboard. This allows them to paste the pre-formatted message into any platform like Instagram, LinkedIn, or even a text message. Take a look at how easy it is for your consumers to use Clipboard to paste into a LinkedIn post. Copy, paste, and post. And it immediately shows up on your account holder's LinkedIn page. So leverage the enthusiasm and passion of your best account holders to create a digital and viral referral strategy.